Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Any Trader Can Fly. This is Prince once again here. So recently I saw an ad on YouTube. He was from trading community and it was very funny. I'll just try to imitate what he was doing. You know what's the color of my daily profit and loss? It is this. So he had a green screen back of him and he was trying to prove that daily he makes profit in stock market. Well, we all know that practically it's not possible to make profits daily. Okay, but these expiries are the days when option seller has to make maximum out of it. Why am I saying all this is because I am trying to regularly post the expiry day trades, and also I am encouraging people, teaching people how to take discretionary trades as well. So in today's video also I will try to explain how I did my analysis, my technical analysis, how is that I was able to find my range for the day, how is that I was able to find the correct breakout. Initially, as you all know, market was trying to move in a zigzag movement, and then second half it's just going in one side direction. But how is that we find the direction? How is that we do the analysis? How is that we add up positions? How is that we do adjustments? So all that is what you're going to learn in this video. And friends, if you're watching this video for the first time, don't forget to press the like button. It will really motivate me to make many such videos. And also this is a channel for all the working professionals. I keep updating lots and lots of strategies for working people where you just need little bit of your time, only just hardly 5 minutes of your time. And if at all you want additional learning content, you can always download my app. The link is provided in the description of this video, and you can go through the various learning content available on my app as well. It's Any Trader Can Fly. It's available on Play Store. Okay friends, so without wasting much time, let us look into today's trade, today's expiry trade, and find out how is that I made money today, and I'll also try to explain the logic behind it. Okay, so today there was hardly any issue with the opening. It was almost flat, I can say. And also looking into the VIX, so initially there was a bit of crash, might be because of the big green candle which you can see. There was a slight crash in the morning with the VIX. So a perfect Thursday. Okay, that's what I can say, and always we have to be positive. Okay, so looking into the open interest, I just wanted to find out the levels for today. So as of now, it has not been updated. I think we just need to wait for 3 minutes for it to start updating in Sensible. Okay, so now let us look into the ATM prices. You can see the prices are almost very low. It's hardly 100, and one side is less than 100 as well. It is going to be very difficult to trade today, but let us do our best. Let us try to find out best trades and execute it. I would not recommend to go to ITM. I would say we'll stick to ATM itself. Just because the premium is low, we should not jump and go take ITMs. Okay, we'll stick with ATMs and then JC. Okay, so as of now, the market is slightly consolidating, and the premium. Okay, now if at all you look into the IV is almost increased by 4.6%. It is almost 19.9 as of now. This is the ATM IV. So you can see it's almost increased 4.6, which is not a good sign for option sellers. But the premiums will increase in case if the IVs are increasing. But if at all you're shorting now, you're not going to make profit. Now we have to look into the levels. You can see a very big tower is available at 44,000. That being a round figure, I think it should not be an issue. See, you can look at 44,000 is going to be a very good support. So let me just mark my levels. 44,000 is a level below which if market goes, I will be going completely bearish. Okay, and then for the you can see already once, twice, and thrice it has bounced back from this level as well. Thereby it is going to be a very good support level, and then accordingly let me mark even my resistance level as well, upper boundary. So you can see the previous day high, it has bounced back at almost 44,150. So as of now, I'm initially planning to keep a range of 150 rupees. So the lower bottom is 40,000 and upper level is 44,150. So this is going to be the range in which I'm going to play for the day. Any breakout which is coming on the upper or the lower side, I will accordingly. So as of now, I've not taken any positions. I'm just waiting for this consolidation. So as of now, you can see Banknifty is trying to consolidate, because initially it was just moving in one side direction, and it is not good for straddle if Banknifty is moving in one side direction. So I was just waiting patiently. Okay, so I started slowly placing my bet. Okay, so now also you can see almost the difference between call and put, the parity, call and put parity is very high. Okay, so you can see almost 30 points difference between call and put, which is not good for us. So in this case, since call is having a higher value, if at all Bank Nifty goes down, we will make very good profit. But if at all it moves up, already the put premium is very less and it won't support each other and we might end up making big loss. So we will have to do good adjustments as well. So as of now, 44,000 straddle is what I have taken, and slowly I'll keep adding my positions based on the market movement. This is the overall plan. So I'm starting off with keeping a 50% stop loss on both the legs. Okay, so 44,000, as I told you, you can see friends, is already Bank Nifty is moving at around 44,000. Okay, it is at 44,000 level itself, and also the higher level, it has bounced back from 44,100. So it has reversed back from 44,100. So I'm just moving my upper level from 44,150 to 44,100. 100 points range is good enough. Okay, and also the RSI is showing as of now a sideways movement. Now you can see slightly it is trying to cross, so I'm started adding my positions now. Okay, the put and the call is almost reaching to the same levels, so I am slowly adding positions. Okay, and also we can see we're getting a very good bounce back from this level. So what we can do is 44,000, it's a very good, it's a very big landmark number. So I will move towards the Supertrend, which is just below this 44,000. So I'll keep my level at Supertrend level. This is Supertrend 10,2 setting, which I usually follow. Okay, so this would be a good range for the day. So in case if we're getting a breakout also below 44,000, I'll be able to find out. Okay, I'll be able to go bearish below this and accordingly take my positions. So as of now, it is completely neutral trade which I have taken. I'm only entering my position slowly into lot by lot based on the movement of the premium, because single shot if you go, it might hurt you. Okay, and this is the settings which I told you. I'm just following. Many were asking about the settings which I follow to find the direction of the market. So I use a very simple method, that is Supertrend 10,2 and moving average, that is EMA 21 and RSI 14. So in RSI I keep a level of 60 and 40. In case if it is above 60, I mean it is bullish, and below 40 it is bearish. So these three indicators are the one which usually gives me an idea how Bank Nifty is moving, and I do my technical analysis accordingly. Perfect setup. Yeah, it's not important, setups are not important friends, it's all your attitude, your discipline, how is that you manage your positions, your risk management. That is what is very important in trading. Okay, so as of now you can see we are just trying to get a little bit of profits because Bank Nifty is just moving in a zigzag. Okay, so now this is what I was trying to talk about friends, a zigzag movement in the morning. It just initially started coming down, I mean it started off going top, then came down, then again started reversing. Now it is trying to give the breakout. Okay, so again you can see Supertrend also has changed, it has become green, and it's a very good sign. So now I started adding my position slowly, and I have kept it little bit of bullish, not completely bullish, little bit bullish. So you can see that the puts are higher when compared to the calls. This is what the plan of action which I have taken, because it's almost near the border, so I have just added more of put than the calls. Okay, so in case if it is going directionally from here, I can slowly remove my call positions, and already put is having higher. You can see that it is nicely bouncing back from the resistance levels which I had marked. Okay, so this is what I was talking about, this level you can see here clearly it has reversed from the level which I have marked. Okay, so as of now we can say it's still moving sideways, and then there is no good clarity, and there is no good decay as well which has started as of now. And Bank Nifty is, again you can see it is just bouncing from the levels which I have marked. It gives me very much happiness, you know, so much joy when I see the levels which I have marked and correctly it is bouncing back from those levels. So now we started coming into the profit range because of the sideways movement. Okay, so you can see now time is close to 10:30. Again we are sitting with a good decent profit of around 17,000 rupees, and Bank Nifty is just moving sideways. So time is 11:15 as of now, and profits are increasing step by step. As of now you can see it is 40,000 and our levels are working perfect. Okay, now this is what I was talking about friends. The super trend level which I had marked and kept, and Bank Nifty has crossed below 44,000 and it is going down. Perfect levels which we had marked and kept initially, and this is what I was telling you, it gives so much of joy when we see this kind of breakouts happening exactly and also the RSI also giving confirmation that yes, the market is bearish, it is going down. So this was initially the 44,000 level, and market has closed below 44,000. So I started removing all my put positions. So you can see majorly I am sitting with a call. So this is the put which I am talking about. Okay, so majorly I'm sitting with call options, and I still have one leg of put because it is just now started going down. So there might be reversal. There is no guarantee that it can go in one direction. So slowly, step by step, I'm removing my put options. I'm not removing everything together. Okay, so if it sustains below this for this support line which I have marked, then I will remove my put positions completely. Okay, so now as of now we can see it is just come down, and what I will do is I will trail with the super trend. Okay, I'm not going to mark any levels with the price. I'm going to trail simple with this super trend indicator 10,2. Whenever the price goes above super trend, I will try to add again the put option. That is nothing but I will try to adjust my position. So as of now we are just moving down, and you can see only majority calls, and I've just kept still one put because in case if the reversal happens, we need a backup. Okay, but now as of now friends, you can see it is only going down, and also it has broken the key levels, and we are sitting with a decent profit. So I think it is time for me now to remove my put positions completely. Okay, so once if this level is breaking now at the present level of 43,900, if it goes down below this, I'm going to completely remove the put and drive only with the call. Okay, so this is what I was talking about, this level 43,900. So as of now it has started coming down, so I closed my put positions completely, and I'm sitting with naked call options only, and I want bank nifty to go down. In case if it continues going down, it's going to be good profit, and I'm going to trail with the super trend as I told you. So as of now we can see it is just going down in one way direction, and I am also slowly shifting my call positions as well down one by one. Okay, so you can see that I am shifting my positions little by little towards the nearest strike, because prices bank nifty is just going down. So this is nothing but you're just shifting the strikes from OTM to ATM. Okay, so friends, so it was no brainer today, very easy. Once the breakout came, I'm just trailing with the super trend, and bank nifty is easily going down, and you can see we are sitting with easily a profit of around 1 lakh, above 1 lakh. If any reversal comes, it's going to be danger for us, but then till the reversal comes, we can enjoy. Okay, so finally it's time for the reversal. Time is 2:15, and you can see that the reversal has started to happen. This was the area which I had marked the super trend indicator. In case if it starts reversing, I might have to do the adjustments. So what I did was I did not completely add the put positions. I started adding put little by little. Okay, so this is the candle which I'm talking about, a sudden big candle. So what I have done is, as you can see, I just started adding put positions little by little, because if bank nifty reverses from here, all the profit made will be gone. So I just have to make sure that I adjust my lock my profits which I have made in the call options. So I'm not adding everything, I'm just adding little by little. And now once again you can see that the super trend has changed from green, it has come back to red. Thereby again it is indicating that there is no plans of going top. It is reversing. Bank nifty is going to reverse, is reversing the price action. So then there's no point holding the put. I removed the put once again, and I have moved everything to 43,800 call option, and we can see that we are in a very decent profit of 1.5 lakh profit. So I'll continue the same procedure as of now. Simple super trend. I'm just going to trail with the super trend. Time is close to 2:30, and in case if at all bank nifty crosses that, I will be accordingly adjusting, doing the adjustment. So we are close to above 1.5 lakh profits, and now you can see it's closely inching towards 2 lakh. Big candles are being formed, and it's very nice to see, especially when we are having a negative bias and the market also is moving down way. It's going to be very nice to see. So 43,800 call is almost coming down, and you can see we are with very good profits of close to 2 lakhs as of now. And same procedure, nothing big. I'm just trying to trail with the super trend. Perfect, a perfect Thursday I should say. Okay, so now profits have crossed 2 lakhs, and just let us see if at all there's going to be any more movement for us. If there's going to be any more movement, then we'll have to catch it up. We'll catch the profits. Okay. Okay, so still we can see Bank Nifty is going down, and profits have crossed 2,25,000, and we still have 43,800 call with 20 rupees premium left with us. So I'm not in a mood anyways to close my position. So I'm just trailing my stop losses very tightly. I don't want to take any more risk because time has already crossed 2:30. So what I am planning to do is I'm just going to trail my profits tightly. Okay, so Bank Nifty continued going down. Okay, so but I did not go to trail again. I just stuck with 40,800 call option because it can reverse at any moment. We don't know, nothing is in our hand. There are times when after 3 o'clock market has reversed abruptly as well from last 2 weeks, if at all you would have observed. So I did not go to take risk. I got a very good decent profits for today. December month is already in green, so I don't want to take much risk. So I just left for 43,800 to come down to zero, and you can see it's almost 4.75, and we are sitting with a profit of around 2,65,000. So I just decided to close off all my positions which I had trailed aggressively, and then finally I closed my positions with a profit of 2,66,000. And I should say an easy day. Once we found the levels and once we got the breakout, it was easy riding the downtrend. If at all it would have continued, we could have got much more money, but the premium is already reduced, and I don't want to go to ATM because already the premium ATM premiums are very, very low. So this is what I was talking about. The price action for today. It was very, very simple to guess. Simple to catch the downtrend. So whoever has taken downtrend, 920 strategies, or who have done the doctor strategies also have made very good profit for today. Nevertheless, initial zigzag was troublesome for a little bit of people. Stop losses hit a little bit, but after then it was a smooth ride, and many of them were able to catch the profits. Okay, friends, hope you liked today's analysis and hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to press the like button and also the subscribe button. Thank you and have a nice day.